Steven here. So today we'll make an unboxing of this motorcycle helmet waterproof lens film, universal rain and fog protection film. So it's a transparent lens sticker helmet, Antifog. So we got here our fresh canvas here. I just removed it from my helmet. So let's take it off from its box. So here's the Rainproof Antifog film for helmet, guys. This is the package. Got instructions there. So I'm not really familiar of how to put this on, but I'll try my best. So let's remove it. Here it is, guys. As you can see, it's a blue, has a blue tinge in it. So we're gonna remove it slowly. Okay. Also have, I think, there's an extra package here. The lens cloth and liquid thingies. So let's begin. Let me just put this aside. Let's take it up. Let's see what's inside here. So we've got this stickers here. Guide stickers. Also have this cleaning cloth. We also have this alcohol prep pad, and also this I don't know what this thing is. I have no idea, it's just a plain, I think this is plastic sticker thingy. So okay, it's kind of bright here, guys. I think we need to remove this. This one's at the back, so it's the front. Try to remove it. The film. Okay, here it is. Steady. Okay. Maybe I should have watched videos about how to put these before I start. But all else is right here. Okay, this sticky. So this is the back, I think. But I think we need to use this first here. Oops. Okay, so it's already wet. So I think we're gonna put this in the back or in the front. Smells like alcohol. There we go. Okay, so we clean that, and we're gonna use this cloth to wipe out the excess wet phase. Okay, there we go. Don't need this anymore. Put it aside. Try to put this one. So this part here is sticky, guys. This whole part here. I think we're gonna put this inside like that. Make sure we position it right. So it's that. Okay. Slowly press it. Press the edges. Make sure it sticks well. Now it's stuck. Okay. There we go. I think that's it, guys. So as you can see, it's already inside. So this helps prevent fog. You drive on a rainy day. Okay, so that's it. So now we're gonna test it out. So here we go, guys. I've attached the visor to the helmet, and we're gonna test it out if it really prevents fog. So I have here a hot water, and I'm gonna put it under there for a few minutes, and let's see if it really does remove that fog. So there's an underlining disadvantage in this experiment because I'm out at the direct sunlight. So we'll see how this experiment goes, and we'll try to replicate it again in shaded environment. So we'll see. We'll let it simmer there for a few minutes. So here we go, guys. I think we have left it long enough. So we're gonna see if it really fogged up or not. Let's put this thing aside. It's still hot and it's imitating heat. Let's try to wear it. Oops. So yeah, it's still kind of clear. So I can't tell. So we'll still need to run another experiment. Okay, so the hot water on glass did not work, guys. So we're gonna try another method, see if it really is anti-fog with this thing here. Yeah, as you can see, guys, it's kind of working because there's a fog up here. Yeah, it's a watery fog. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's up here, but much or less down here is nothing. So there's some effect to some degree, guys. Let's put that aside. Let's try this instead. Let's see. Wait. Yeah, we can see it, guys. It's here. Try to put it on. Yep, it does work a little bit, guys. So as you can see here, I sprayed a little bit of water with this one, and as you can see right here, this section here has water droplets, and also up here. But this part where we attach the anti-fog it's clean. I don't know if you could see it. Go. I don't know if you can see that angle, but it's clear as day. So here's the water, and this part here is almost none. So the water just slipped through. So overall, I think it's an effective product, guys. If you're planning to purchase, it's a good purchase. So that's it for this unboxing and review, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more unboxings and more random videos. And if you could follow me on my Facebook page at Stephen Ray Abrigamiento YT. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye bye.